To our energetic Mayor, Attorney Aleni Yu Concepcion, to our beloved and amazing Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Alejo R. Sisto, sir, to our beloved President and Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Dr. Danilo A. Concepcion, to our brilliant and ever-beautiful Vice President of Academic Affairs, Dean and our Principal, Dr. Rowena R. Guzman, Ma'am, to our supporting Assistant Principal, Mrs. Ruby Jacqueline A. Rivera, Ma'am, to our Coordinator in Elementary Department, Dr. Luis Felix L. Hernandez, sir. To our Coordinator in High School Department, Ms. Hannah Pearl N. Taiko. To our Coordinator in Senior High School, Ma'am Fabian Flores. To all of our greatest motivational teachers of both elementary and high school department, most especially to our caring and loving advisor, Mrs. Marjorie Frances Diop-Yocoro, who dedicated their lives in inspiring us to strive more. To all the staff in this institution, my beloved alma mater, OSHA's Educational Foundation, to our guest of honor and speaker, Mrs. Springrose O. Rosena, Ma'am, to all PTA officers under the leadership of Mr. Vladimir M. Caldera, sir, to all the parents who are so excited to witness this occasion, barangay officials, guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed day to all of us. After 6 years of hard work and perseverance, graduation day has come at last. Our toils, our labors and sacrifices have finally been rewarded through this significant event, thus fulfilling the high expectations of our parents, teachers, relatives, and friends. Today is the most awaited and important moment of my life, because this is the day of my cherished dreams and aspirations being realized as I savor the joy and relief of my fruitful journey and share my pride and success to the people responsible for making and shaping me into the kind of person God wanted me to be. This special occasion is dedicated as an expression of my gratitude and recognition of all your invaluable contribution that brought me to where I am now. I would like to take this opportunity to thank and acknowledge these wonderful individuals who in one way or another have been used by God as instruments to accomplish His plan and purpose in my life. To my beloved parents, who consistently pushed me to try my best at everything, they taught me to use my talents in school, not only to excel, but also to set a Christian example. To Daddy, thank you sa araw-araw na paghatid at pagsunod sa amin, kahit sobrang busy mo. You always find time, lalo kung kailangan ka namin dito sa school. And to Mommy, thank you for waking up early every day para sa amin, sa pag-aasikaso aso sa akin kahit palagi kami natin. I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
Love you, anak.
Thank you for teaching me to accept defeat with a smile, telling that a real winner can handle a loss as well as he does a win. To Mamita and Mama Bar, thank you for being supportive at palagi kayong nandyan para sa aming Lilia. And of course, to my one and only sister, Via and Ivy, thank you for being my playmate and my friend. You taught me to be a big brother to you. Always remember that you'll always be my little sister. To all the parents, we owe everything to you with the necessary financial, emotional, and spiritual support. Without you, this occasion will not materialize. To our beloved teachers, whose dedication and experience are unparalleled, thank you for providing us the invaluable knowledge and skills, as well as laying down the living foundation to build and producing us the strength of character and integrity of purpose, to face our future endeavor with courage and confidence. To my classmates and friends, especially to you, if you know who you are, thank you for providing me with a loving atmosphere of care and understanding, accepted my imperfections, and allowed me to be myself. Your radiant smile and assuring touches and hugs will surely be remembered and cherished. As we leave this institution and go our own separate ways, as we find our place for the betterment in this world. To my dearest alma mater, who through the years I have been under her care, thank you for nurturing and equipping us with trainings and preparation, and develop us mentally and morally, with noble ideas and principles to face the world and follow a chosen path of advancement. As we depart from the portals of our beloved institution and set the first step of the journey towards our destination, let us leave behind the glory and failure of the past that will prevent us from achieving our goal and vision in the future. For all the success that I enjoy right now as your class valedictorian, my family and I are in one in saying that much credit for my accomplishment goes to our God, whose faithfulness never fails, but continue to flourish through the years. To Him be the glory and honor, now and forever. Thank you. Happy graduation day, and God bless us all.